Hi, this is Emmy. So hello and welcome to horrible video quality today. Today I'm giving myself a challenge. Well, that's not what I had planned. I had planned, I don't know, having a lot of time to do this, a lot of space, yada yada yada, but that didn't happen. So I have 10 minutes before I have to go downstairs and meet my dad. So what we are doing right now is I'm going to try and learn how to screen record my PC in 10 minutes. So let's start the timer. You'll hear a horrible sound once it's done. So now that we're here, I am recording this, by the way, through Zoom, which is probably one of the worst ways I could have done this. But anyway. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, thanks, good, okay. And we're starting with Google. I really hope you can see me as well. Because I don't think I can see myself really. All right, so now we are going to, wait. No, my Google search. I should blur it. I will blur it. Okay. Do I have Windows 10? Probably. Okay. No, that's not helpful. No, the annotation. Zoom is so horrible. Can I move this thing? Yeah, okay, that's better. I've moved it. Okie doke. How to, whatever. Windows, screen during gaming. Game bar. Ooh. Screenshot. Print screen button. But the print screen button doesn't do anything for me. Huh. Graphics card. Oh, shoot, I don't like it. Okay. Let's do this. Settings, gaming, game bar. Gaming. Game bar. Win Alt G. Oh, there's a lot of things here. I don't have a controller. Okay, I can assume that we've actually learned it in faster than 2 minutes. It's been 444 at this point that I've recorded the audio. So it's like 3 minutes since I started. That's great. Okay. Windy, ba ba da ba da ba. Oh, I can also captures background. I have no idea. Frame rate, quality. Record whilst wirelessly projecting my screen. No, I don't do that anyway, but I don't know. Okay, I suppose I can do that. But this is specifically for games. It's not something that if I'm gonna do a game, I'm gonna stream a game, right? Okay. I think we're ending it here. I think I've found a way. Okay, let's test it. We still have like 2 minutes. Maybe this is not good content. I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. Let's do this. And I've already forgotten the combination. Wait. Game, alt, game bar. Opened game bar. Okay. Yeah, of course. I am recording stuff. Oh, okay, then this little button stays right there in the middle somewhere. Okay. I think I personally need to stop screen sharing so that we can just go back to the record. So, lucky me. Microphone thing should probably... Oh, microphone's also on. Perfection. Okay, so this was Emmy. If you enjoyed this video, however it was, consider subscribing. I upload every Friday, whatever the time zone is. And that was our cue to finish this thing. So I think we kind of succeeded. Screen was recorded. And I'm a dum-dum. Welcome. Bye.